Things you can do at home to help with irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Irritable bowel syndrome is a common problem with the intestines. Doctor will likely start listing a bunch of medications you can take to help control irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, when you visit your doctor to talk about it. However, you may want to seek out other therapy options. If you don't feel comfortable taking medication daily, you have the control over your irritable bowel syndrome and ultimately make all decisions about what treatment you need. The great thing is that whether you are on medication or not, there are several things you can do at home to help with irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Hypnosis. You might want to think about hypnosis for your IBS symptoms. If you are more into alternative medicine and other more natural treatments, there are usually three types of people when it comes to hypnosis: those that don't believe in it at all, those that love it, and those that have never tried it. However, you too might see the positive effects it can have on your mind and body once you try hypnosis. When it comes to how hypnosis relates to irritable bowel syndrome, the answer lies in the patient's stress level. Hypnosis works to lessen overall stress, and when it is effective in doing so, irritable bowel syndrome patients will experience fewer IBS symptoms. Mainly, a hypnotist can help get you to a deep relaxed state where you can learn to endorse positive thoughts about your overall health. There are ways to practice this at home as well. You can learn to use self-hypnotherapy while you are on your own at home, or in between hypnosis treatments. Basically, irritable bowel treatment hypnosis is much like a deep meditation. You will have less stress and will be able to cope with IBS much easier if you take the time to work on your mind as well as your body. Yoga. You probably understand already why people are drawn to it. If you have ever tried yoga, it is not only a way to get in shape, but also a way to unwind and clear your mind of stress. It is very effective in helping with irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. The idea of yoga deals with the body and the mind, which is what an IBS sufferer needs to focus on. There are many yoga positions that are specifically designed to help promote better digestion and to ease digestive symptoms. You can do yoga in the comfort of your own home. Get a DVD with basic yoga moves on it and get started right away. Exercise. For an IBS syndrome sufferer, exercise is important for a variety of reasons. First, exercise generally makes your body stronger. It is usually a good idea to be on a regular exercise program, no matter what disease or disorder you might be suffering from. Exercise boosts the immune system, making other diseases and disorders less likely to occur. Second, exercise is an excellent stress reliever. Some medical practitioners believe that IBS syndrome has psychological roots. This means that IBS syndrome might have its beginnings in a mental state. A highly stressed mind is prone to mental problems. Mental problems lead to physical problems. IBS syndrome symptoms have often been observed to occur when a person is under unusual amounts of stress. So, it has not been proved that stress is a cause of IBS syndrome, but it certainly worsens the situation. Every effort to reduce undue stress must be made. Exercising is one of the best ways to do this. Good sleep habits. One of the biggest factors in your overall irritable bowel syndrome treatment is getting enough sleep. Studies show that irritable bowel syndrome sufferers who don't get at least 8 hours of sleep a night have a high frequency of symptoms. So this home treatment is very inexpensive, but it can be difficult when you are on a set schedule. Just try to get yourself into the bed 15 to 30 minutes earlier each night. Before you know it, you will work yourself up to getting those 8 hours you need, without feeling like you are missing out on anything.